Good evening, everyone. How are you?
Good evening, teacher.
After a long time, I'm fine, dear. After a long time, I can see you nicely. From school, I cannot see you because I'm using mobile in school. That's why I conduct your reading test and your dictation, all things I can take evening. I can see you also. Yes. So, are you ready for the reading test?
Yes, teacher.
Everybody.
Yes,
Okay. Now everybody make you mute. Muhammad make you mute. Everyone make you mute. I will call your name one by one. That time you can make you unmute. And Maria, make you unmute, Baba. Same you have problem, Baba. Now only 1 week school, whole year. When I try to record my class, sound coming from your side. Whole year. Today is also same. Okay, no problem. Just wait. From screen, I can see your face. I will go through my screen. Okay, who is coming first? I will ask you, not according to the name. Okay. And everybody should on the camera. Right. Yes, I can see everyone. Radhavan can start. One thing, after your turn, if you want to quit, you can go. No problem. No need to ask me. When I ask, okay, when I will complete your reading test, if you want to stay, you can stay. No problem for my side. If you want to leave the meeting, you can leave. But in between, no need to ask me. Okay? Okay, Radwan, you can start.
Lesson 13. The title of the poem is Champa's.
Not poem, Baba. It's not a poem.
The title of the story is Champa's fruit basket. Champa had a garden. There were fruit trees in her garden. I am going on his house. Champa said to her mother, I am taking fruit for her. She likes fruit. All right, said her mother. Come home soon.
Okay, stop.
Champa.
Stop. Radwan, stop. Yes, Radwan. Now, Ajmal. Yes, Muhammad Ajmal, you can start.
Champa fruit basket. Champa put 3 banana and 2 guavas into a basket. She then started walking to Punni house. A monkey was sitting on a bench of a tree. It looked at the basket.
Okay, stop, Ajmal. Good. Yeah. Now, Tausif. Tausif, you can start. Yes, start, Baba.
Basket. A monkey, I like bananas. It went from the tree and took the banana. Champa did not see the monkey. 2 parrots were flying nearby. They looked at the basket.
Okay, stop.
Tausif,
Tausif, stop. Okay. Okay, then I can ask to Modina. Modina, you can start.
Okay. Champa's food basket. Eek, said the parrot. We like guavas.
What happened, Baba? Continue, continue.
Deer flew down and took guavas. Champa did not see the parrots.
Okay, stop, stop. Modina, stop. Modina, stop. Okay, now Naim. Naim, you can start.
Yeah. Champa fruit basket. A cow looking it. Champa moose said the cow was born. She jumped into a orange tree. Some orange fell into Champa basket. Champa did not see the orange. Some
Okay, stop,
Champa
stop,
came
stop.
to pond.
Stop, Naim. Naim, so many mistakes you did. It is not orange, oranges. Then did what you said, Champa did, but you say something different words. So many words you are not taking the proper, pronunciation wrong. You didn't practice at home. Okay, Naim. So if you do like this, how can I give you the good marks? I'm unable to give you good marks, right? Okay, now I can ask to the Lutfa. Lutfa, you can start. Yes, Lutfa.
Champa's fruit basket. Soon
What happened, Lutfa?
Champa's Champa came to Pony's house. Hello, Pony. She said, here is some food for you. Thank you, said Pony. I like oranges, said Champa. Where eat the bananas and the guavas.
Go. Okay. Okay, Lutfa. Now I can ask to Krishna. Yes, Krishna.
Champa's fruit basket. Champa had a garden. There were fruit trees in her garden. I am going to Pony's house, Champa said to her mother. I am taking fruit for her. She likes fruit. All right, said her mother. Come home soon. Champa
Okay, stop, Krishna. Now, Mariam.
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
Now start.
Champa food basket. Champa had a garden.
You have to start from here. Mariam. Where is your mind? Where Krishna stop?
Champa put 3 bananas and 2 guavas.
Yes. Continue.
Into a basket. She then start walking to Pony's house.
It's not start, it's started. Read the full. STAR start, but it is ED word, started. Okay. Next line.
A monkey was sitting on a branch of a tree. It looks at the basket.
Okay, stop. Stop. Now, Alia. Yes, Alia.
A monkey jumped a fruit basket. A monkey was sitting on a branch of a tree. It looked at the basket. Ah, said the monkey, I like bananas. It went from the tree and took the bananas. Chopper did not see the monkey.
Good. Arafat. Start.
Champa's fruit basket. Two parrots were flying near. They looked
Not near,
at
nearby. Yes.
nearby. They looked at at the basket. Ik, said the parrots, we like guavas. They flew down and took the guavas. Champa did not see the parrots.
Stop. Arafat, what happened? You are doing. why you are making this? Arafat, you did very well, but I will make your sound. Two parrots were flying. Okay, no problem, but I enjoyed. Okay, now Nurjahan. Nusrat, start. Nusrat, start.
Okay, teacher. Champa's fruit basket. A cow looked at Champa. Moo, said the cow. The cow was frightened. She jumped and she bumped into an orange tree. Some oranges fell into Champa's basket. Champa did not see the orange.
No, okay, stop. Orange, oranges. Champa did not see the orange. One ace is there. If ace is there, you have to make the ace sound. This sound will come. The snake sound. Fruits, Champa's last sound is like a snake. Okay, this sound will come. Okay, now Nusrat, good. Now Maisha,
Yes, teacher.
start.
Champa's fruit basket. Soon, Champa came to Pony's house.
Maisha,
Hello.
some sound coming from the back. Just tell them to just make sure your background no sound will come. Okay, yeah.
Okay, teacher. Champa's fruit basket. Soon, Champa came to Pony's house. Hello, Pony, she said. Here is some fruit for you. Thank you, said Pony. I like oranges. Oranges, said Champa. Where did the bananas and the guavas go? Thank you,
Okay.
teacher.
Welcome. Good. Now, those are completed. If you want to leave the meeting, you can. If you want to stay, no problem from my side because I'm happy to see you all. Okay. Now, Samia,
Yes, teacher.
start there.
I like oranges. Oranges, said Champa. Where did
Completed,
the
Baba.
banana?
Completed, Samia. Maisha, read full this passage. You have to start from the beginning. Okay, from the starting.
Okay. Oranges, said Champa. Where did the bananas and the guavas go?
No, this much already Maisha completed. Now you can start from the first line. Start from the first line. Okay.
Champa's fruit basket. Oranges, said Champa. Where did the bananas and the guavas go?
You don't understand what I said. Okay, stop. You didn't understand what I said. Okay, stop, Baba. Now, Maimuna. Maimuna, start.
I am got to
Champa basket থেকে শুরু
Champa's food basket. I am got to Pony's house. Champa said to her mother, I am taking fruit for her. She likes fruit. All right, say her mother. Come home soon.
Okay, stop. Good. Now, Dia. Dia looking very good. Dia, night time you want to go school? Huh? Both are wearing the school uniform. That's why I'm asking. Looking good. Full discipline because this is a part of an exam. That's why I'm making jokes. So better come to the school. Okay. Now Dia, start.
Champa's food basket. Champa put 3 bananas and 2 guavas into a basket. She then started walking to Pony's house. A monkey was sitting on a branch of a tree. It looked at the basket.
Okay, stop. Dia, stop. Now Devi, continue.
Champa's food basket. Ah, said the monkey, I like bananas. It went from the tree and took the bananas. Champa did not see the monkey.
Good.
A
Okay, stop. Baba, stop. Stop. Now Jainab.
Champa's food basket. 2 parrots was flying nearby.
One
They
minute.
looked
1 minute, Jainab. Again read the first line. Again read the first line. 2.
Champa's food basket. 2 parrots was flying
Not
nearby.
was. Baba, it's not was. Was spelling W-A-S. W-E-R-E. Where? Okay. Parrots where?
2 parrots were flying
Not near. Nearby.
nearby.
Why you are
They
nervous, Baba? Why you are too nervous? Jainab, you are a
They
good
looked
child.
at the basket. 8, said the parrot. We like guavas. They flew down and take the guavas. Champa did not see the parrots.
Okay, stop. Jainab, how many you did the mistake? I will tell you. First is was, second nearby you say near. Then you say the guava is not guava, guavas. Then other is okay. 3 mistakes you did. Why you are too nervous? Huh? It's a reading test, you know very well. Okay, no problem. Now, Asharful. Asharful, you can start.
Champa's fruit basket. A cow looked at Champa. Moo, said the cow. The cow was frightened. She jumped and she bumped into an orange tree. Some oranges fell into Champa's basket. Champa did not see the orange.
Okay, stop. It's not orange, Baba. Asharful, oranges. Most of the students keep the S sound. Where you can see the S, make the sound of S. Okay, otherwise it's good. Okay, Asharful, stop. Now, I can ask to Muhammad. Yes, Muhammad.
Teacher, Champa's fruit basket. Soon Champa came to Pony's house. Hello, Pony says. She said, here is some fruit for you. Thank you, said Pony. I like oranges. Oranges, said Champa. Champa, where did the bananas and the guavas go?
Good.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Now, Muhammad Sarur.
Yes, teacher.
What happened? Why you didn't come to school today? Baba, why you didn't come to school today? Tell me.
Cold.
Tell me.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, my cold.
You have cold?
That's why I don't come into school.
Okay, okay. Take care. Take care. No problem. Now, okay, start, Baba. Start.
Champa fruit basket. Champa had a garden. There were fruit trees in her garden. I am going to Punni's house. Say to her mother. I'm taking fruit from her. She likes fruit. All right, say her mom. Come home soon.
Okay, stop. You make two mistakes. It's not mom, it's mother. And other place you said, this one. I am going to Punni's house. Then Champa, this word you skip. After immediately you said say it to her mother. And SAID not say, say it. Okay, good. But you improve really. Now,
Okay.
now, who is there? Anybody is there? I didn't ask you. Let me know the name. So many students are absent. I don't know why.
Teacher,
Tahid, yes, Baba. Huh? Yeah, you can start.
Teacher, tomorrow same time exam.
Yes, 7:30. Yes, start, Tahid.
Fruit basket.
Yes.
Champa put three bananas and 2 guavas.
Yes.
Into basket. She then started walking to Pony's house.
Okay, stop. Children, 18 is the last working day, right? Next week, Thursday, our last day for the grade 1. After that, you have exam, then you will go to the grade 2. If possible, if your parents allow, you can come on Thursday. That day also in school, we are celebrating Children's Day. I'm not forcing you. If your parents can allow you, you can come at that day. You can put the color dress, not uniform. Okay, on Thursday. So if you are coming, you inform me before, then I can give you some tasks for you because those are come to the school. I taught them one song also. So if you are coming, inform me before, then I can give short speech or poem. I can teach you how to do, and that day you can come to the school. Okay. That take your if your parents say yes, then only. I'm not. Yes.
I want to go to school.
Okay, take your mother's permission, then send me the message when you are to Thursday only. Okay, Thursday.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, now everybody done, so I can leave the meeting. After a long time I saw you, so I'm also happy. Tomorrow also same time before exam, take a paper, okay, white color your line paper, write your name, dictation words, and your books not with you. If I will check, if nobody can help you also, okay. And already I gave you 15 words. From the 15 words, I will ask you only 6 words. Okay. So good night. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow.
Bye, teacher.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye, teacher. Good
Bye.
night.
Bye bye, dear. Okay, you can leave. Okay.